Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can access your Bluehost cPanel. So if you have purchased Bluehost hosting plan, then first of all, you have to log into this particular portal. Just type my.bluehost.com and you have to provide the user ID and password. So as soon as you log into the Bluehost area or the Bluehost hosting area, you will not see the cPanel area directly. It will show you an interface like this. Now in this, Bluehost has provided an different interface to manage your website. So how you can find that? If you click on the left side, my sites, against your domain name, simply click on manage site, and you will see an area like this where you can see the users, how many users are there in your WordPress websites, is there any backup, some performance related settings, then security, then what are the plugins installed on your website. See the Bluehost plugin, so it is right now off. Really, one plugin is active, so we have kept it on, and there is also an update in that plugin. So these all informations are there, and finally the setting. Okay, now this is I'll say a custom area that Bluehost has developed for their users so that everybody can easily manage their website. But that doesn't mean that Bluehost is not a cPanel hosting. Now if you do not know how to get into the typical cPanel area, so then this video will definitely help you. So what you need to do, in the left side you will see there are a lot of options. Simply click on advanced. So as soon as you click on that advanced option, you will see that the typical cPanel area will automatically appear, where they will see that email section, the file section, the database, then security, software, preferences, Softaculous, with the help of which you can install WordPress, Joomla, or whatever CMS you want to install on your website or blog or domain name. Okay, so this is how you can get into the typical cPanel for Bluehost hosting as well. So that's all in this video. If you find this video useful, feel free to like and share this video, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, then subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.